will come, no? Why you are crying? Hello guys! For today's video, ibibenta natin ang aming dalawang aso. Kasi madami na sila. 5 aso na meron kami. Anak to ng aming dalawang aso.
Aso is dog.
Yes, aso is dog. So ayan, ibibenta na namin sila. Ayan siya. Isang puti at isang itim. Hindi makita. Ayan, say bye-bye na. 4 months na po sila. So, hindi namin sila maalagaan masyado kasi nakatira kami sa flat. Sa flat, napakahirap. Ayun, nagkakahula ng dalawang aso namin. So, yun lang po. Wait po tayo. Pupunta tayo na animal market.
Ma, he's
Okay, stay tuned.
hugging. You're not gonna stay with him. You will go to another family.
Hala, let's go now. Daddy is calling.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
God is catching you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
You have that
So
brush?
sad.
You have that brush to wipe the hair?
husband is so sad.
Ma!
What?
Do you have the brush?
Yeah, we have it.
You're the oldest, so take care of your children. He's the oldest. He have to take care of the children. This one's the middle, the not favorite one anymore. The baby in the house freely, not getting self. See how sad he is. Sad boy. I don't know what to do. And his tail is down. See, his tail is down. Can I fry you? Chicken nuggets? Okay. I fry you. Dog nuggets.
Doggy lover.
Yeah, I'm also a dog lover. I'm half dog lover.
Lover.
I'm an animal lover. Ma, see his ear. One down, one up. Bug. Yoda French.
What's that?
Yoda French. Yoda.
Oh my god. Long time you didn't take it?
Mommy.
You missed it?
Ma, look. Yoda French. Yoda French. Yoda French and Pug.
Sila lang tatlo ang mahilig sa hayop. Pero ako, hindi po ako makahawak ng
Ako.
aso or pusa.
What's Usa? You be naughty. What's Usa do? You be naughty here. Ma, look. Look. Ow.
Check na lang. Wait, anak ko.
Daddy? Look here. Dad, look.
Why you're crying? Why you're crying? Huh? So many dogs will come, no? Why you're crying? Huh? Not cry. So many Lucy and Miss Lucy is there. What did you say?
Heartbroken.
Why? Your heart is broken? So, yun na nga, heartbroken na siya kasi nawalan siya ng dalawang aso. Pero maganda na rin yun dahil nauubos ang oras yung pag-aalaga ng 5 aso. So, yun lang po. Thank you for watching.